back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to say goodbye to stretch mark. Yeah guys, how to permanently get rid of stretch marks in 7 days. Stay tuned to know about this wonderful remedy. You'll be needing a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. On the first step, you'll be adding the baking soda to the fresh lemon juice and you mix the both. After which you add the turmeric powder and stir the mixture into a fine paste. Then you apply it on the stretch mark affected area. After applying this mixture guys, you let it sit for a few minutes to dry naturally. After that, you use a clean wet cloth to wipe out the mixture, or for better results, simply wrap the paste applied area with a plastic bag and let it sit for about 30 minutes by holding some hot compress or a hot water bottle and rinse with normal water, that is a warm water or lukewarm. Also guys, you should have a light massage after this treatment with vitamin E oil, shea butter or aloe vera oil, any oil you know that will keep your skin moisturized. As for me, I make use of aloe vera oil. I guess I should be showing you how I make my aloe vera oil in my next upload. After few applications of this mixture guys, you will definitely notice the difference in the stretch mark appearance as it begins to fade. Also guys, you should stay hydrated by drinking at least 3 liters of water per day. This helps to maintain the moisture and elasticity of the skin. I guess that's all I have for today. Thanks guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel for more beauty tips. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.